Okay, tonight we're not going to do any cooking. I'm going to eat some hot sauce. I got a whole ton of hot sauce for Christmas this year, and added to my collection, as you can see. Tonight I'm going to sample 6 brands here. I don't know what it is. I know this is supposed to be really hot. Look, come with its own little damn bullet there. Just blow your brains out or something. I don't know. But we're going to try all these hot sauces and see what they taste like. I got me a little couple tortilla chips here. We're going to sample some hot sauces. These are all unopened, so I got to open them all. Bear with me. See if I can do this. Let's see, this is, the only Spanish that I know is una más cerveza. Well, I got one of those. El Yucateco, chili habanero, extra picante. We'll see what happens. Give me a chip, put some sauce on here. Whoa, shit, that's a green sauce. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's nasty. Oh, damn, I don't like that. It's a little warm, but I don't like it. This here is just some generic stuff, comes out of a damn gift package thing. It's a Chipotle hot sauce called Major Burn. We'll see. That's kind of spicy, but it's nasty. I don't like that flavor. Damn, I don't like that flavor at all. Chipotle, that's got to be better. Got to be better than that stuff. Let's see what we got here. Oh shit, that come out. That's a little runny. That's almost sweet. Yeah, I could probably do that. Flavor's a lot better than this than that other stuff. Put that over there, save that one. I can later drink though. That was pretty hot, this green stuff I didn't like. It had some heat to it. We got here Jamaican habanero hot sauce. It says it's hot, hot, hot. We'll see. My mouth's still burning from this one. This has got a lot of heat to it. But the damn flavor is bad though. I don't like that flavor. I don't mind the heat if it tastes good. I eat hot sauce on fried chicken and scrambled eggs. A lot of other stuff too, but that's what I mainly eat it on. And that ain't no good for neither one of them though. I don't like that. Jamaican habanero. Oh, well, we got a little bit on there. See how orange pinkish tint. Well, this hot, hot, hot ain't. Don't taste like habaneros to me, though. It says habaneros, but there's no heat in here. There's no heat at all. Hell, you could put this on ice cream. Let's see what we got here. Oh hell, I gotta pronounce this. Kaisca. Salsa Habanero Roja al Tequila. But it's got no alcohol in it. Go figure. We got a scale here from hot to extra hot, and it's like halfway. This ain't a green sauce. It ain't a red sauce. More of a brown sauce, if you can see it. I don't know. But there's seeds and stuff in here. I can see them, so this may be warm. We'll see. Get this thing out of here. I hope y'all eat hot sauces. God damn, I sure do. I love this stuff. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, it's a little bit thicker. Damn. It's another nasty flavor. This can go straight in the trash can. There's no heat. The flavor is nasty. It sure ain't hot. Yeah, that's pretty much going in the trash can after I quit filming. That's garbage. Alright, now I'm going to get to the hot stuff here now. And yeah, I eat a lot of hot sauces. I'll eat all this stuff on, well, I won't eat these two. That's garbage. But we'll see. Notice, all unopened bottles here, so this is a for real taste test. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Let me tell you the story about this one. Hold on a second. That damn. Let's see. This is Big Black Dick. That's right, Big Black Dick. It says right here on the bottom, it will stimulate your meat. We're gonna find out. I ain't got no meat. I got some chips, but we're gonna find out. This is some stuff from the islands down south. Jamaica, somewhere down there. I don't know. We're going to try it. Find me a chip here. Let's see. Oh, God, yes, that's thick. Coming out there. I got this much on there. One little chip, that much. We'll see what Big Black Dick's got for me. I'm not getting no heat there, Dick. Tastes a little cayenne in there, it tastes like to me. I'm going to try that one again. Cause my nose is running after all this stuff. Dick would go good on eggs. He'd go real good on eggs. It's not real hot. I mean, I can taste a little, but it ain't nothing special. It'd go good on eggs, though. Okay, now. The main reason for this video, I got this bottle here for Christmas. It's like $20 a bottle. My nose is sniffling now. Drink time. $3.57 Mad Dog. Silver edition. Look, come with its own little bullet so you blow your brains out. Actually, this is a Coke spoon. I don't do Coke anymore. It's actually a spoon. That's the recommended dosage of this stuff. All this other stuff here, the recommended dosage, serving size, whatever you want to call it, is a teaspoon. This stuff here is just one little bitty Coke spoonful. So, damn, my nose is sniffling now. This here has got, it's made with 6 million Scoville pepper extract. I don't know what else I got in there, but there's a whole page here of what you call legalese. If you give this to somebody for a present, you got to warn them about it. You can't be intoxicated when you buy it or eat it. I'll have another drink. I've seen videos of people eating this stuff, and it pretty much freaks a lot of people out. We're going to see. I know this is a real thick sauce, just from everything I've seen already. I've never had this one. Quite sure this could be the hottest one I've ever had in my life. We're going to find out. I got to rinse my Coke spoon off though, because Abby'd been fondling it and I don't know where her fingers have been. How the hell do I get my damn spoon in there? I got to take this zip tie thing off. Damn, should have done that before. Now I'm going to stab myself in the chest. Coke spoon. Hot sauce. Come on out, baby. Oh my God, this stuff is thick like damn molasses or something. Oh, let's see. One little baby chip. Okay. See my spoon? A little bit on there. See my chip? A little bit on there. That's a recommended amount. I'm going to suck this off the spoon and eat the chip. Oh, I like that flavor. Yeah, I do like that flavor. I ain't burning up yet. Oh, God, got me in the back of my throat now. I'll tell you what, I'm going to man up for y'all. See what happens here. Easy, baby, easy. There you go, big old dump right there. Oh shit, it's in the back of my throat now. Oh. That's about 3 times the amount of recommended serving, maybe more. I'm going to try this and see what happens. Oh, I love that flavor. It's almost got a barbecue flavor to it. Oh, damn. There's some heat in the back of my throat, though. Oh shit, that hurt. Oh yeah, that was too much to eat. Don't cough. Drink. Chip. My whole mouth is burning now. My whole mouth. Oh my Lord. You wouldn't believe the intense heat in my mouth. And I'm sniffling like a little baby. I got tears running down my eyes now. Drink. Carrie, this is the hot one. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, Mad Dog. That's a hot one, Carrie. Oh my Lord. My mouth is on fire right now. This ain't for the faint of heart, y'all. Chip. I gotta get another beer. Hang on. I'm gonna need a cigarette on this one. Or what my eyes. The stuff I do for y'all on video. My telephone's ringing. It's probably the old lady wanting to know if I need to go to the hospital yet. Got me a beer. I gotta get a cigarette. I'll be back in a second. Hold on.